12 little objects called pucks, most of which start out gray. Their job is to convert as many of them as they can to their own color. You can see each team has a piece that leaves a little trail behind it. And when you draw a trail around a collection of pieces, you can maybe convert them to your color, depending upon what pieces are in that set. If you trap a piece of your color and a bunch of gray pieces, you get them all. If you trap a piece of your opponent's color and a bunch of gray, you just lost all of those pieces. And if you trap some some of your opponent's color and some of your own, you turn them all back to gray. I'll leave you alone to watch the matches and see how they turn out. They're 90 seconds each. Now Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology moves down to the lower bracket, and they will play against St. Petersburg University of IT Mechanics and Optics. University of Tokyo again, but we have swapped sides. If University of Tokyo wins, they'll be the winner. If not, we'll have to have another match to decide the winner. Mechanics and Optics, Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, and the University of Tokyo. Altai State Technical University. Finishing in third place, St. Petersburg University of IT Mechanics and Optics. Finishing in second place, Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology. and finishing in first place, University of Tokyo. So these teams are all receiving items from IBM and receiving a cash award from the ACM.
Well, let's see if they can read music. And here we have the bell. And there we have the carriage return. Good luck, everyone.